Hey guys, just Paul here, and welcome to the first week of the 8-week female fat loss formula from Fat Burner Bootcamp. The first week is all about you understanding the difference between healthy eating and what fat loss eating is. Oftentimes we get completely the wrong misconception between the two. For example, avocados are really healthy, but if I was to eat, 3, 4, 5 of them a day, I'm going to get fat. Nuts can be healthy, but if I was to eat 3 bagsfuls a day, I'm going to get fat. So it's really understanding what healthy diet is, but what a fat loss diet is, and what's going to be the diet for you. You also need to know the difference between what fat loss is and what weight loss is. Weight loss is muscle and water loss. Yet fat loss are the inches that we're looking for, and oftentimes these diets that we see, low calorie cut in diets, all they're targeting are short-term results in weight loss. This isn't going to shape you. This isn't going to be long-term fat loss. This isn't going to give you that female hourglass shape. A fat loss program will. So we need to know the difference between the two. And the final thing that you're going to need to understand is that diets simply do not work in the long run. Being told to eat this, this, and this does not work in the long run. I need to, be able to walk into a supermarket and be able to put a meal together by myself and to know what is a good meal for me and my body type. So we're going to shift you away from being a dieter into a detective, and that's what this course is really about. You're going to be learning through the next 8 weeks this process of being your own fat loss detective, and that's what figuring out the female fat loss formula is all about, because there isn't one hourglass formula, one female fat loss formula. There's infinite formulas. Okay, in other words, each and every woman it needs a different strategy in terms of the diet, exercise, lifestyle factors, and their mindset that will determine her ability to make real, long-lasting change. So week 1 is really about introducing you to becoming your own detective and showing you the basics. So I'm really excited for you. Let's get started.